nicely now. Put the body on. Brakes work as well. Changes in second nicely as well, pretty quick. Show you the temperatures. Not going to do any big jumps, just little ones. Oh, definitely wheelies as well. Come out the remote. Pretty quick. Great truck, absolutely great is this. Jumps nice as well. There we go, does wheelies. Beautiful. Plenty of smoke as well. Check the temps for you again. About 116. That's alright. goes really nice. Suspension works really well as well. Oh no, that'll put a dent in it. Try and line it up. There you go. Rolled it. It's alright now. Damn, it's fast. I think we've hit the centre tank now. Goes off the line really well. Goes like stink. Could do richen up a bit if anything. But the problem is at the top of the tank it runs a little bit richer anyway. So not too bad. That'll do for this one, I think. There we go. One last jump. Not going to take it off there because I want to sell this, unfortunately. It's good though. That was good timing actually, because the remote just ran out of battery right at the very end of this tank there. I have just stopped the exhaust there, you can see it's beeping, look. I have just stopped the exhaust before it ran out of fuel so that it didn't lean out at the end. See what the temperature is, you can see there, covered in grass. I'll just switch it off. So I've just mounted the switch with gaffer tape and stuck the hump pack in. Temperature coming down nicely, about 80 degrees now. Got up to about 120 during the running, but you can see I've richened it a little bit more. So at the top of the tank it's not quite pulling wheelies, but by the time it gets sort of down here it's quite easily pulling wheelies, especially when it gets warmed up. So yeah, it runs really good. Very pleased. So yeah, that is my HPI Savage X 4.6 project completed, and yeah, it's worked out very, very well. I'm very happy with it. So that'll be the end of this video. I guess I'll see you in the next one. Hopefully I'll be able to get the Hyper 7 out here. I'm also hoping to do a video of this versus my Hyper MT, now that both of them are running, and this is on this remote, although it'll need some new batteries. So yeah, I'll probably get my dad to drive one of them, see how he does, if he can handle the power of the Savage, indeed. So yeah, looking forward to the Hyper MT versus Savage 4.6. Be an interesting video. Hopefully you'll see the Hyper 7 soon as well. Anyway, that's it for this one. Goodbye.